All right, we brought back this Sultan 99, and we need this for the next custom model. It is not blue, it's kind of sky blue. I'm using normal settings on my camera, so it should look sky blue. It's not blue, dark blue. Okay, anyways, so this is the shell for this model right here, a custom model 3D printed. That's the face. Let's see the layer lines. Um, Anyways, it doesn't look so obvious. On this area, you cannot see, barely see it. This one's just a little bit, just to let you know. Okay, there are two options where you can find it. Just a minute. So this one goes like so. I need some rubber bands for this thing. Okay, there it is, our custom model for the diesel 10 chassis. Perfect. So let's check the option number one. All right, option number one there. The option number two from eBay. Again, option number one and option number two. So I'm still considering to make these faces detachable for this custom model. Remember, I based this on the model seen on the first series of Thomas. That's one of the main reasons I tried to blend these on this area, the face. I am not painting this one. Remember, I'm not painting. So the model you're getting is just the shell. Again, make sure you watch and read completely. I mean, watch what I'm posting. It's just this. If you need one of these custom shell, you know where to find the link below. Link below. And I'm trying to make some faces. I don't know if you've seen the latest shorts that I'm posting, and I'm considering making some faces. This one looks like the green whatever thing from Ghostbusters. Look at the this is Fernando. So I'm thinking of making these faces, just the faces. I found the perfect shade for these models. So I'm gonna apply a coat of spray paint. That's a close shade for this Thomas, but in the TV series I remember it's this shade. It's not exactly white. I mean, it's not exactly this shade. It's close to this, but with the illumination make it look kind of white or dolphin gray shade.